you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon should
Come vibe with me when you are free. Call me when it's 3. You don't have to tell nobody that you're coming home with me. Come vibe with me when you are free. Call me when it's 3.
Sampo lang to. Para may idea. Background song yan ha.
After 2 months of being released and several restocks, ngayon nakuha na natin ang aking paboritong abangan every December at kung suswertehin, kung suswerte
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
makakabili agad nung time na yun. But this year is more different just because our local Foot Locker has been closed just because of the pandemic. Okay? Bago ang lahat, kamusta nga po pala kayo? Kung akong tatanungin nyo, ito nanana ba, okay lang at nakakasurvive pa naman po. So, without further ado, here's what I got. Box pa lang, alam nyo na, di ba? Kulay gray. And aray ka. Okay. So, like I said, it's almost 2 months since it's been released. December 11, 2021 was the original release date for this one. And unfortunately, hindi tayo sinuwerte. But now, bam! I got this. Okay. So, bago ang lahat, I would like to say thank you so much for this guy. Ito yung IG niya. Yan. Siya si Armani Ignacio from Edmonton, Alberta, na matagal ko na siyang kilala sa sneaker game. Him and his brother is a very good friend of mine. Kasi magkakasize kami halos, 9.5 kami. And then, yun, kasali kami sa mga iba't ibang sneaker group.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So, ito na nga, pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina. Here you go. Here's the 2021 version of the Cool Gray 11. Such a beauty. There you go. And outsole. Carbon fiber niya. Mas bet ko to kaysa dun sa last time na naglabas yung Bread 11. Medyo mukhang plastic yung carbon fiber. This one is looking much more better. There you go. Well, the usual look of Jordan 11. Different colorway. So, konting kaalaman. Cool Gray was released back in 2001 when Michael Jordan was still playing with the Washington Wizards. So, ito po yung actual na nasuot itong colorway na to, actual na nasuot po ni Michael Jordan nung siya po ay still active playing basketball para sa Washington Wizards. Back in the day, after the Chicago, after 2 months after ng release date niya, we finally got it. And what is that? You know the box, you know the colorway, and I'll show you the shoes. What the fuck? Sorry. Okay, ito na. So, here goes. Bam! It's the new 2021 Cool Gray Jordan 11. Nice. Iba ang amoy ng bagong sapatos. Kaka-addict. Yan. So, little trivia natin para sa Cool Gray 11. Cool Gray 11 was first released back in 2001 nung si Michael Jordan ay naglalaro para sa Washington Wizards. O, tama kayo mga kaibigan. Narinig nyo. Yung sinabi ko na si Michael Jordan was playing for Washington Wizards back in the day. That's my daughter. Say hi to them. Come on, come here. Come on, come on. And say hi to them. Hi. There you go. Okay, go back there. Okay, and then after 2001, na retro ang Jordan Cool Gray 11 back in 2010, and then afterwards nasundan ng Cool Gray. The tech specs of the new Jordan 11 Cool Gray, they use nubuck material on the upper, the patent leather, white shoelace, icy blue bottom, carbon fiber. The only thing that I find na medyo tinipid tayo ni Jordan Brand is bukod sa box, ito. Usually, Jordan 11 have a plastic shoe tree, but I don't know what's going on, pero it is what it is, right? Hindi naman sackliner ang basehan natin sa pagbili ng sapatos, kundi yung actual na sapatos and yung history nito. And para sa akin, I truly appreciate the quality and the craftsmanship of the Cool Gray 11. By the way, shoutout nga pala muna tayo. Shoutout ako kay Armani ulit. Armani Ignacio of Edmonton, Alberta, for giving me a retail of this guy. This guy, I like it. Bro, thank you so much for holding a pair for me and hitting me up. And then, for the good deal. Thank you so much. Hopefully, pag dumating yung time na may kailangan ka rin at kaya kong i-return, I'll be available for you. Just hit me up, okay? And, shout out din kay Donnie Stasio. Bro, it's been a while since the last time we talked. Donnie Stasio is one of my my sneaker bros from Edmonton, Alberta, of course. He always extended help whenever I need some hookups for getting those shoe na hindi available dito sa amin. Bro, thank you so much. You're the best. And hopefully to see you soon and talk to you soon. Okay? And for all my subscribers, thank you so much for hanging on. And hi. This is my daughter. Say see you on the next video.
See you in the next video.
And then, comment down below.
Comment down below and subscribe.
There you go. See ya.
Come vibe with me when you are free. Call me when it's 3. You don't have to tell nobody that you're coming home with me. Come vibe with me when